As we venture into gemstone history, we will focus on the profound cultural significance of gemstones across different civilizations and eras. The ancient Egyptians held gemstones in high regard. Lapis lazuli, for instance, symbolized the night sky and was believed to provide protection. Cleopatra's favorite gem was the emerald, representing fertility and rebirth. The Romans believed that gemstones had powers to heal and protect. Red gemstones like rubies were associated with passion and power, while sapphires were symbols of wisdom and purity. In the Bible, the breastplate of Aaron is described as having 12 gemstones, each representing one of the tribes of Israel. The Book of Revelation also mentions various gemstones to describe the New Jerusalem. In Hinduism, the Navaratna, or the 9 gems, play a significant role in Hindu astrology. Each gem corresponds to a planet, and wearing the right gem can bring about positive changes in one's life. Throughout history, monarchs and royalty have adorned themselves with gemstones not just as a display of wealth, but also as symbols of power, divinity, and authority. The British crown jewels, for instance, are replete with gemstones, each carrying its own story and significance. In Australian Aboriginal legends, opals are believed to be the creator's footprints on Earth, imbued with the rain's colors. Ancient Greeks believed that this gemstone could prevent intoxication. The word amethyst itself means not intoxicated in Greek. Today, gemstones continue to hold cultural significance. Birthstones, for example, are gems associated with each month of the year, believed to bring luck and protection to those born in that month. Diamond engagement rings, a tradition popularized in the 20th century, symbolize love and commitment. Similarly, other gems like rubies and sapphires are often gifted as tokens of love, celebrating anniversaries and special moments. The cultural significance of gemstones transcends their physical beauty. They are carriers of stories, beliefs, and traditions, intertwining the Earth's history with human civilization. As we wear or admire a gem, we're not just looking at a piece of mineral. We're connecting with a legacy that spans millennia.